Hello guys, in this question is saying that the molar solubility of CdOH whole twice is 1.84 in times per minus 5 molar in water. The expected solubility of CdOH whole twice in a buffered solution of pH 12 is we have to find out the solubility of CdOH whole twice in buffered solution. This is given in water. We have to find out its solubility in buffered solution. We have 4 options given. These are first, second, third and fourth option given. So let's start solving this question. So first of all, this is CdOH whole twice. So CdOH whole twice, this is in solid and this remains in equilibrium with Cd2 plus aqueous plus 2 times OH minus aqueous. Right, this is remains in equilibrium, and I have also balance the equation. There are 2 OH and these are 2 OH, 1 CD, there is 1 CD. Right, now in this question it is saying that the solubility of this will be S, this will be 2S, and S has the value is equals to 1.84 into 10 to the power minus 5 molar. This is given in this question. Right, now we can find the value of KSP here. So KSP is equals to S multiplied by 2S to the whole square, because this stoichiometric coefficient is 2 here, so this is 2. So after we solve it, this will become 4S cube. KSP has the value 4S cube. We know the value of S here, so here we will multiply 4 is equals to 1.84 into 10 to the minus 5 molar to the whole power 3. Now if we solve this, then we will found KSP has the value 24.9 into 10 to the power minus 15 m molarity cube. Right, we got the value of KSP here. Now in this question it is saying that we have to find the expected solubility of CdOH whole twice in a buffered solution of pH 12. Right, now we have given pH is equals to 12. We have given pH is equals to 12, and we also know pH plus POH is equals to 14. Always pH is equals to 12, and there we got POH is equals to 2. And we can also write POH, its mean is this is equals to POH is also equals to minus of log of OH concentration. Right, now it has the base 10. We can also say that OH minus has the concentration is equals to 10 to the power, this minus 2 will be here, 10 to the power minus 2. Right, this will be useful after to solve this question we have. And this is 10 to the power minus 2. Right, this is in molarity. And also we can say KSP can also be equals to CD plus 2 multiply OH, the concentration of OH to the square. What am I saying is, we can write KSP is equals to CD 2 plus concentration multiplied by OH minus concentration to the whole square. Right, what we have done here, but this is solubility here. Now we are considering the here concentration. Right, so KSP's value will be remain same always. So KSP has the value 24 into 10 24.9. there will be 24.9 into 10 to the power minus 15 molarity cube is equals to CD2 plus concentration multiply OH minus concentration. This is 10 to the power minus 4 molarity square. Right, because we have done square as well here. So now after solving this, we will get CD2 plus concentration will be equals to 24.9 into 10 to the power minus 11 molarity. Right, what you have to find out is the expected solubility. This is our solubility, because this is solubility, and we are also saying that this is also solubility. This will be solubility. Now we got the value. Answer is equals to 24.9 into 10 to the power minus 11 molarity. And let's check the option here. So the appropriate option will be this. This is 2.49 into 10 to the power minus 10. This is same as it is 24.9 into 10 to the power minus 11 molarity. This is the answer which we have solved here. This is the same as it is. So our option number D will be our correct answer. This is answer. Thank you for watching. Best of luck and bye bye.
Hello student, the given problem is the molar solubility of AlOH whole thrice in 0.2 molar NaOH solution is x into 10 to the power minus 22 mole per liter of AlOH whole thrice is equals to 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 24. So what is the value of this numerical value of x? So first we write the reaction, this AlOH whole thrice. What is the reaction? This is the equilibrium, make the equilibrium sign, backward and forward reaction. So here this happening. So first we make the this and again we write the another sign which is backward reaction type. So this is our backward sign. Now this give Al3 plus ion, Al3 plus 3 ions of OH minus. So what is the solubility? The solubility of this is S and here the solubility is 3S. Now first we write the another reaction which is NaOH is present. So this NaOH gives first this give Na plus and OH minus. So here equilibrium sign and this give Na plus ion plus OH minus ion. And what is the solubility over here? The solubility is given. So this is 0.2 mole of NaOH. So starting is initially this is 0.2 molar and these are 0 and 0 and after that time this becomes 0 and this is Na plus is 0.2 molar and this is also 0.2 molar because these are in same equilibrium. So these are in same amount. That's why these two are in same amount. So concentration is also same 0.2 molar. Now if this is OH minus ion, this plus this. So again we add this 3S, this value and this 0.2 molar. So this total OH minus ion concentration, we can write the concentration of OH minus ion. This total value is 3S plus here this 3S and again this is 0.2. So here this is 0.2 molar is this. So this is the final value. Now we write the value of KSP. So which formula is KSP? KSP is concentration of this Al plus ion. So concentration is Al3 plus ion is equals to S. So this is S multiplied with concentration of OH raised to power 3. So concentration of OH is 3S plus 0.2 whole raised to the power 3. This is the equation we are solving. So put the value, first put the value of this solubility product KSP. So this value is equals to 2.4 multiply with 10 to the power 2 is become S. So this is equals to S plus 3.2S. So this 3S plus 0.2. So we can write this value S multiply with this 3S plus 0.2. So after multiplying this becomes, this is because this S is very less. So 0.2 raised to the power 3. And now we are solving because this is the addition. So here the value of S become, value of this S is equals to 2.4 divided by 0.2 whole cube into 10 to the power minus 24. So the value of S will be, S is equals to what? This is 3 into 10 to the power minus 22 because which is in very less amount. That's why we are ignoring this thing. So this value we are ignoring. 3S plus 0.2 is directly we can write 0.2 because this S is very less. That's because the S is 3 into 10 to the power minus 22. This is very such a small number. So here compare with X into 10 to the power minus 22 mole per liter. This value is S. Now what is the value of X? The value of X in this equation is equals to 3. So this is our correct answer. X equals to 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.
Hello student, we have a question. Is the pH of 0.2 m NH4Cl solution will be? Okay, so we need to find out the pH of NH4Cl. Okay, so there is a Kb value of NH4OH is 10 to the power minus 5 and log 2 value is this. So now let's do it this question. So we know that actually this we have to find out the pH of NH4Cl which has been made like this, NH4OH plus HCl, then it further makes NH4Cl plus H2O. So this was the previous reaction that by which it has been made. Okay, so it is a main product. Okay, so we don't need to need to do much more. We just need to find out the pH value. Okay, so actually we have a we have a pH formula. We have a formula to find pH is 7 minus 1 by 2. Okay, P Kb plus log C. Here C denotes the concentration, or we can say C denotes the molarity. Okay, so okay, as it was given that C is equals to 0.02 m, so we can say C is equals to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 m. Okay, so now do it. So the value of pH 7 minus 1 by 2 log pKb value is going to be minus 5. So that will be 5 plus log C, which means log 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. After knowing to apply log, we may have a conclusion that this 5 plus this will multiply further and will, after the rules of log, we may found as the value would be 0 point something. So I am writing here the total because I have calculated earlier. So the value would be 3.301. Okay, and after that this would be 5 minus 3,495 something. It has been calculated earlier by me. So when I take approximation regarding it, so it would be like 3.35 as the option says. So in which option? That option B. It is A, B, C, D. So in option B, we found the correct value for pH. So the pH value of that is 5 point. pH value of NH4Cl is 5.35. So this is all what the question needs to get answer. Thank you so much.